Heavy downpours and floods in the north-central region claimed the lives of 8 people in the 2 provinces of Ngatian and Houghton as of Sunday evening. According to the Standing Office of the National Steering Committee for Natural Disaster Prevention and Control, in Than Hoa, Ngatian, and Houghton, 26 houses saw over 70% of their structure damaged, 143 had their roofs blown off, 55 were affected by landslides, and over 14,000 submerged. More than 2,000 families had to relocate. Flooding also damaged 11,435 hectares of rice and other crops, more than 3,800 hectares of industrial and fruit trees, nearly 135 hectares of forest, over 9,000 hectares of ponds and lakes, and more than 710 tons of salt. The disaster also killed 155,340 cattle and poultry, affected 127 schools, 9,150 meters of canals and 82 bridges and sewers, and eroded 1,550 meters of river bank. According to the National Center for Hydrometeorological Forecasting, on Monday, heavy rains will continue across Vietnam. Downpours are forecast to reduce in the north-central region on Tuesday, but continue in the south-central, central highlands and southern regions in the following days. Localities are advised to continue keeping close watch on weather developments to take appropriate response measures.